Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dewi Asri, and now I'll present my proposal. The title is Improving Students' Pronunciation Using Rosetta Stone Application in Grade 8 of SMP Negeri 10 Kota Bumi. The background of the problems. Pronunciation is important in establishing speaking skill to use the language in daily activity, purposes, and factual context. The ability to speak with good English pronunciation will make it easier for the listener to capture the meaning being spoken. If we do mispronounce while speaking, it makes the listener difficult to understand what we are talking about. Furthermore, it can be one of the factors which can lead to the conversation breakdown, and many students feel confused and difficult to pronounce some English words, especially the unfamiliar ones. Identification of the problems. Students at SMP Negeri 10 Kota Bumi have difficulty in pronouncing English words correctly. Students are not motivated to practice pronunciation due to monotone teaching methods and feel bored, and teachers rarely use digital tools or applications to improve pronunciation. This affects their ability to use English effectively in communication. Limitation of the problem. This research is limited to exploring the use of how the Rosetta Stone application can be used to improve pronunciation in grade 8 of SMP Negeri 10 Kota Bumi. The study does not cover other skills like speaking, reading, or writing, or the use of other educational apps. The research question. First, how can the Rosetta Stone application be used to improve student pronunciation? The second is, what are the student response to the use of Rosetta Stone in learning pronunciation? Objective of the study. The objective of the research are first to improve the pronunciation skill of grade 8 students at SMP Negeri 10 Kota Bumi through the Rosetta Stone application. The second is to analyze student motivation and engagement in learning pronunciation using Rosetta Stone. Usage of the research. First, for teacher. For teacher, the researcher hopes the research can be useful and help teachers to make students more interested in pronunciation. The second is for student. This research can help students to improve their pronunciation by using the Rosetta Stone application, which provides a fun and interactive learning. Third is for future research. This research can be used as a reference and additional information for future research who wants to conduct of educational technology into English learning on the related field. Chapter 2. Theory Review. The definition of pronunciation. Pronunciation is one of the sub-skills in speaking skills that is important to make sure that the person speaks all the words clearly. According to Hornby, 1995, pronunciation is the way in which a word is spoken, the way a word which is pronounced, the way a person speaks the word of a language. If someone makes error in pronouncing some words in a sentence, it can disturb the communication, even it can be one of the factors which can lead to the misunderstanding. The pronunciation mastery. There are several aspects of pronunciation that may help students, namely segmental feature and suprasegmental feature, Ramlan 1985. A segmental feature system is individual speech sound and syllable that include vowel, consonant, cluster, and diphthong. There are the basic building blocks of spoken language and the smallest identifiable units of speech. And the suprasegmental features refers to such features as stretch, pitch, intonation, and other features that always accompany in the production of speech. Tewa Yuti 2008. There are three kinds of suprasegmental feature. There is stress, intonation, and syllable. The importance of pronunciation in language learning. First, boosts confidence and communication ability. Improving pronunciation helps build confidence, allowing learner to participate more actively in class, discussion, and real-life communication. Second is reduces communication breakdowns. Clear pronunciation reduces the need for repetition and clarification. The third is support listening and speaking skill. When students learn correct pronunciation, they are better able to recognize spoken words in conversation, speak fluently and naturally, and understand native speaker, especially when listening to connected speech or fast-paced dialogue. The definition of Rosetta Stone application. Rosetta Stone is an educational app-based game which brings multiplayer activities to the classroom and makes classroom practice more interactive and fun. The app emphasizes vocabulary, grammar, and speaking skill to create a comprehensive approach to language acquisition. It comprises of picture, word, and sound that will help people increase their pronunciation. Frame of thinking. This study is grounded in the connection between educational technology and pronunciation development in language learning. Students often face difficulty in mastering English pronunciation due to limited exposure, lack of feedback, and traditional teaching approaches that do not support active individualized learning. Rosetta Stone is an immersive interactive application that utilizes speech recognition technology to help students improve their pronunciation through real-time feedback, repetition, and listening practice. Hypothesis. Each one, there is a significant improvement in the pronunciation skills of grade A students after learning through the Rosetta Stone application. Each zero, there is no significant improvement in the pronunciation skills of grade A students after learning through the Rosetta Stone application. Chapter 3. Research Method. The research method. This research employ a qualitative method based on the framework of classroom action research with qualitative approach. The place and time of research. This research was conducted at SMP Negeri 10 Kota Bumi, located in Road Lampung. The subject were students of grade 8. The school was selected because it represents a relative context for English language instruction at the junior high school. Research procedure. First is planning. In the initial phase of classroom action research, planning serves as the foundation for the entire cycle to arrange the plan. Second is implementation. In the second step, the researcher and the English teacher implemented the prepared lesson plan in the classroom. Third is observation. The observation focused on how students interacted with the speech recognition feature, how actively they participate in pronunciation tasks, and whether their confidence improved during pronunciation tests. And the last is reflection. In the final stage, the researcher and the English teacher reflected on the outcomes of the implementation. The research variables. One, independent variable. The implementation of Rosetta Stone as a digital learning tool for English pronunciation. Two, dependent variable. The pronunciation proficiency of students, particularly in the accurate production of English sounds. The research instrument. The research instruments used by the researcher were observation, pronunciation tests, and field notes to measure the researcher's success in this research. The data analysis. Data analysis was conducted after collecting all research data at the end of the intervention. According to Hatch and Farhadi, 2009, the percentage of successful students can be calculated using a specific formula to assess the learning outcomes. For student learning activities, data from checklist-based observation sheets were analyzed using a percentage formula modified from Sudijono 2009 to determine the level of student engagement. Meanwhile, teacher activity data was analyzed using a similar formula to evaluate the consistency and effectiveness of instructional delivery during the implementation of Rosetta Stone in the classroom. The conclusion. This study proposes the integration of the Rosetta Stone application to improve student English pronunciation at the junior high school level. By combining technology with classroom instruction, the research aimed to create a more engaging, interactive, and student-centered learning environment. The use of Rosetta Stone is expected to enhance student pronunciation skill through real-time feedback and consistent practice. This research also serves as a reference for teachers and future studies in implementing digital tools in English language teaching. There is my presentation. I should thank you and I'm sorry if there is a mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.